What? 156 then 287 540 450 450. Who is that? You 450 554 582 then 204. These are the qualified 8 athletes. Okay.
Being backed by Nusrat from Haryana with a performance of 10.87 seconds. 5.19. and girls will be
As we come to the fag end of the opening day of the 12th Youth Nationals here at the Bambore Stadium, it's time to have a word with the General Secretary of the Goa Athletics Association, Paresh Kamath here. Paresh, how do you feel the day has gone on?
So I'm enjoying the day. The things are happening as per our. We are satisfied with even AFI is happy with our organization. But due to shortage of time, we could not do it in a great way because this championship was earlier allotted to Maharashtra. Due to some their problems, last minute it was given to us. And we are happy that AFI is trusting us in organization. They want to organize more and more meets in Goa because just to develop athletics. Now, if you go to see, one girl has qualified for the finals in long jump. She finished 5th. One boy, girl Karina, one boy Ajay Vishwakarma, he is qualified for finals of 800. So we are improving in that also. We want more sessions. Even we will be going to the government regarding the national games also. Let's see how it works out.
National games तुवें मेन्शन केले आनी तूं एक कमिटी जो आतां चेअरमॅनूय आसा गोवा ऑलिंपीक एसोसिएशनान ती काडल्या सो तांचे आतां तुमचे कमिटीचे आतां कितें कार्य आसतलें?
आमची कमिटी ह्या बेसिकली we will coordinate with the government regarding the teams. Of course, I am myself has been appointed as a chairman. Then Lenny Gamasa, Rupesh Matme, Ferrer Furtad, and Arvind Swaris. So we'll be presenting the budget of camps, kit, everything to the government. So after I was just waiting to finish this meet. So after this meet, we'll be sitting and having a meeting and coordinating with the government. Because national games will be prestigious to Goa. Because if we don't perform in national games, what is the use of organizing national games? So we should have to perform. That's why we are starting it now only before 1 year.
हांगा आतां गोवाची 14 जाणांची टीम आसा सो रियलिस्टिकली ही ह्या 14 जाणांचेरूच आमची नॅशनल गेम्साची एथलेटिक्स टीम बेस्ड आसतली.
See, national games, this minimum age is 16. So that's why I also agreed with Mr. Walson to organize because this is the right time of the athletes. आता under 16 to 18 म्हणलं की एका ग्रुपान ही आता भुरगीं एक 2 वर्सां प्रॅक्टीस करता. By 16 they will be around 18 to 19. So they can win a medal after practicing. We are planning to keep 3 months residential camp, close residential camp for national games. So it will benefit us. Now athletics is coming up in Goa. That's what I cannot say, but people should say it.
With that, we come to the end of this special presentation on the opening day of the 12th National Youth Athletics Championship, supported by LIC and conducted at the Sports Authority of Goa's Athletics Stadium here at Bambore. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.